besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. And yes, I have been listening. I finally checked my DMs. You guys have been requesting videos, and I am going to do a video today. You guys want me to do an update comparison on the beautiful Empreinte leather on the go Tote MM and also the black Empreinte leather Neverfull MM. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Okay, besties, as stated, I believe the video was in 2020, if not in 2021. I don't know how far back it was, but you guys are asking for an update. I'm going to say this: there's no right, there's no wrong answer. You guys asked for my opinion. That's exactly what I am going to give you. I am going to go over each handbag and tell you why I enjoy having each handbag in my collection. And yes, they are both totally different. Okay, first handbag we are going to start off with is the beautiful Neverfull MM in Empreinte leather. Okay, besties, I had to stand up for this. Here is the beautiful Neverfull black Empreinte leather. When I tell you, my CA sent me a text message and she didn't even have to complete the text message. Once she sent the picture, I was like, when is that coming out? Because I need it. Like, just once it's ready, the pre-orders are open, just swipe my card, have it sent to my home. Guys, this was amazing when it first came out, and it was so hard to get. If you didn't pre-order, you were basically going crazy, because some of you guys, I still have the emails. You were like, Marquita, can your CA help me? I love this handbag. I will most definitely say this is an everyday handbag. You can wear this with heels, guys. You can wear it with tennis shoes. That's why I love Neverfulls, because Neverfulls, you can do so much with them, guys. You can basically cinch this in on both sides and turn this into a totally different handbag. You can play around with Neverfulls, but the Empreinte leather, so classy, guys. Add the bandeau, it brings out so much, and guys, it's carefree as well. I'm also going to show you this beautiful inside interior. When I tell you I have worn this handbag out, when I first purchased, I believe I carried it for like 3 or 4 weeks straight, an entire month straight. I just could not switch out handbags. Very, very beautiful microfiber interior. Of course, it has a side pocket, and everything on this is perfect. I absolutely have no complaints at all. I brag on this so much, guys. This is my favorite pochette from the Neverfull family, because you can convert it. You can wear this as a tote. You can use this, guys, over the shoulder. As you guys can see, I do have a chain on there already, basically showing you that's what I've been using it for. So you can even wrap this, guys, around your waist. Okay, so the Neverfull, you cannot go wrong when you purchase this. So if this is on your Christmas list, guys, I totally understand, and I do consider this an everyday handbag. You can take this pochette out. You can use this every day as well. I told you guys, I went into details and told you about the D-rings and the zipper. So guys, get creative with it, and I think it's an amazing price as well. So again, you just can't go wrong with this Neverfull at all. Like I said, dress it up, dress it down, everyday handbag. I honestly worn mine out. Just being honest with you, telling you the truth. Okay, so now let's move on to the on-the-go Tote MM. The on-the-go Tote MM. I'm going to tell you now, when I speak on this handbag, or for some reason any of the on-the-go totes in my collection, I get very happy. I get very happy. I am not in the same place that I was 2 and 3 years ago when I was doing this comparison, you know, between these two, because I was a Neverfull fan. That was like my favorite type of handbag before the Speedy, the Armor, the backpacks, any handbag. I was full of Neverfulls. I think I had 14 Neverfulls in my collection at that time. But now, 2023, I am speaking on the on-the-go Tote, and I am going to say I absolutely love and adore this handbag. When I tell you this is so classy, and I always receive compliments, always. And guys, you can attach your own strap. I've showed you guys that multiple times. A canvas strap on here, reverse monogram. It brings out so much. This is just a sexy handbag. Back then, I was saying in my video that you couldn't, you know, dress down. Yes, you can. I have worn tennis shoes, guys, still with jeans and a button-down shirt, and it still was a showstopper. So again, you can dress this up, you can dress this down. This is very classy, it's very sexy. This is another perfect handbag. Now, when I speak on everyday handbags, I can actually use an on-the-go Tote MM every day with no issues at all. When I first purchased, I think the longest I used for a week. I don't care what type of job you have, guys. You can utilize all of these handbags as everyday handbags. It's totally up to you and your line of work. I am going to say with my life now, my business, going to meetings, I most definitely would go for an on-the-go Tote MM now over a Neverfull, okay? So I'm only saying with my life and how my life is set up now. So I would highly suggest you take a look at your everyday activities. Again, this is an everyday bag, and you also can use this every day as well, but it is heavy. And I don't have anything inside. With me just holding it up like this, guys, is extremely heavy. But I will go for an on-the-go Tote. Yes, guys, I love Neverfulls. This is so beautiful. But with growth and elevation, I don't know. I love walking into my office with my on-the-go Tote handbags. And guys, if it does seem to, you know, get heavy over time, you can take the inside strap and then, you know, just put it over your shoulder. And let's not forget, guys, the beautiful interior as well. The same microfiber interior, guys. Very beautiful. And I love how this stands out, this saffron color with this black. So sexy. You can add, guys, you can add bandos to this as well. You can add key charms at the front. So I am going to go with, and please, like I said, this is just an update from my 3-year update in comparison. I think I picked the Neverfull then because, like I said, I was a Neverfull fanatic. But I'm going to go with the on-the-go Tote, like I said, just because of how my life is set up. Either way, guys, it's no wrong way. Whatever you want for Christmas, I think the price difference, that will be the only thing. It depends on how much you want to spend. Neither one have gold feet at the bottom. Both have beautiful microfiber interiors, just different colors. The structure is just different, and I believe you honestly can hold the same amount. It just depends on what you carry every day, because I still can put my agenda in here, my notebook, and the same as with the Neverfull as well. And the Neverfull Empreinte leather is heavy as well. So it's basically just the leather, guys, that's making the handbags heavy. Again, I hope this helped. I had so many requests. You guys are wanting to know which one should you pick for Christmas. I'm only saying because of my life, how it's set up, I will go for the on-the-go Tote MM. It's just bossy to me. I love it. And yes, you can wear this with tennis shoes, guys, okay? Again, I hope this video helped. It's an update. I still love having both in my collection, and if I had to pick, honestly, it would be hard. That's why I have both, okay? And if you are bossed up, go ahead and purchase both. Hey, it's Christmas. Okay, so guys, I hope this helped. Again, you can't go wrong with either of these handbags. I love both of them, both on prump leather, like I said, with beautiful interiors inside. You cannot add an additional strap, so the strap that the Neverfull comes with, of course guys, that's what we have to use. So let me know which one would you pick. We can just use this as a handbag debate. For you guys that requested help, look in the comments guys. I'm pretty sure the besties will help you pick as well. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video, mwah. Bye bye.